We also have the option in an Excel chart, as well as representing the lines or the bars or the columns, whatever, of indicating in the chart area itself, the values that make it up, not as data labels, but actually include in the chart a data table, for example, at the bottom. This, what it does when we select this option, indicates the income and consumption, which are the two data sets that make up the chart. It is indicating, for each of the values on the categories axis, the value that it is representing here. It also tells us in the table what the exact value that it represents is. This can be very helpful in order to get a complete representation of the data, not just the chart, which gives us an idea of a whole, a sense of how the two are behaving in a general sense, but we also have in tables the exact data that make up this chart. The other option that we have in this case is to show not only the data table at the bottom, but say, get it to serve the function of legend. That is, that for each name, title or header of the data set, it also adds to the left the color that it has been assigned in the graphical representation. There are many choices. In addition to these, we have a complementary choices, such as fills, such as border styles, typeface, fonts, etc., which we can control in order to represent in some specific way with great control on our part. If this does not meet our needs, we can refine exactly what options we want applied in order to represent it exactly as we want.